Okay, so, oops. I just want to give you like the little additional tour. Here's the house. Oops, my phone is trying to focus on the raindrops. I'm going to shift gears again. Don't want to make you dizzy, but I am going to drive out of the neighborhood and give you the view of what this neighborhood looks like. So this is the end of the street. This is where like literally nobody's down here unless they belong here. Though Horseshoe Point is a main thoroughfare. So as we're leaving, now I'm going to show you over here. There's a little area where there's some dockage. Don't know the intricacies of the dockage. We could find out if that were of interest. So it looks like they have sort of an overflow space. I do not know. There's a couple trailers over there. We could confirm some things. And then whether this is an individual's property or the community, because there is a little sort of HOA community. A couple cats, one in the water, one on a lift. So that's the end of this little canal. So it does not go very far down here. And then the rest of this is not, there's just a couple streets in between here that have waterfront. And then of course, all the way around this peninsula is waterfront, beautiful multi-million-dollar properties. And there's nothing in this area that is right now, I don't want to say nothing, but 400,000 is like the entry point of this neighborhood, easily, if not more right now. The prices are going up at such a rate that I can't perfectly keep track of it. Right here is where sort of the main thoroughfare sort of ends, so people can go to the right and go down, or they continue going straight, and this is where we sort of go out the actual community. And so even here on the main thoroughfare, these homes are more often nice than not. With a non-HOA here in Florida, you just have to sort of watch, and make sure that the people are maintaining their properties. I'm sure that's within any area, but sort of give you an idea. Many of them have the separation with the vegetation, so you're not just looking straight at their house. And then, these are these over here, maybe some of the older homes, but still very nicely maintained, sort of Florida style homes. And most of these people are here because they don't want to have to deal with HOAs. They want to be able to have their boat in the yard if they want to, or their camper in the yard if they want to. And there's the full range of homes. And once you leave this little street right here, you're immediately out on A1A, Dixie Highway, which takes you immediately to the little dining district, if you want to call it that, in Port Salerno, aka Stuart, Florida. You can look it up and it goes by either name. But anyway, I'll show you just a little bit, one more little jaunt here. We're going to get up to the stop sign, and then there's a cute little bridge that you sort of see out to what's called Manatee Pocket. Where you're at, where that property is, it's on the inlet, and then you're on the intercoastal, and you're out to the inlet in a heartbeat. So Manatee Pocket is a protected waterway that many people love, and lots of marinas, because they have the protected waterway. And then right across that water is where all the restaurants are. So sort of giving you an idea. I will not bore you anymore, but this will just give you an idea as to what the area is. One more thing. When you are first coming in here, because of the marinas, it looks a little more industrial, but it's marinas. That's what this area just is. It's definitely an area that, sort of like the boater's paradise idea. So anyway, here we go. I don't know, industrial, maybe not industrial, that might be too rough of a word, but it definitely loses its residential feel as you're getting out here. All right, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and end this.